Welcome back to Buy Smart. Today, we're diving into the electrifying world of power supplies. On my left, we have the Thermaltake Smart 500W PSU, and on my right, the Thermaltake Smart 600W PSU. Let's see which one can power your dreams, or at least your gaming rig. Let's start with price. The Thermaltake Smart 500W is priced at just $44, making it a budget-friendly option. Reviewers appreciate its affordability, stating that it offers fantastic value for budget builds. On the other hand, the Smart 600W costs $54, which some find a bit steep. However, many reviewers highlight that the extra power it provides is well worth those extra dollars, especially for more demanding systems. Now, let's get into output power. The Smart 500W delivers 500 watts, suitable for light systems. Reviewers have noted its reliability, especially during heavy gaming sessions. In contrast, the Smart 600W provides 600 watts, making it an ideal choice for those looking to expand their setups. Users recommend it for high-demand gaming PCs and charging multiple devices, emphasizing that it handles the load without thermal issues. Next up is efficiency. Both PSUs are 80 PLUS certified, meaning they operate at 80% efficiency. This is a point praised in reviews for both models, as users appreciate their ability to save on electric bills while gaming. Reviewers have noted that both units maintain stable performance without compromising quality, which is essential for long gaming sessions. Let's discuss connectors and protections. Both the Smart 500W and 600W feature two PCIe 6 plus 2-pin connectors and come with active power factor correction. Reviewers have pointed out that both units include crucial protections like overpower and short-circuit protection. This gives users peace of mind, especially those who tend to push their systems hard during gaming. Finally, we have hold-up time. The Smart 600W has a hold-up time of 16 milliseconds under 60% load, which is appreciated by users as it ensures stability during sudden power drops. In contrast, the Smart 500W does not specify its hold-up time, leading some to consider it less reliable in critical situations. Reviewers have expressed a preference for the 600W for this reason, as every millisecond counts in gaming. Overall, the Thermaltake Smart 500W is a solid choice for budget-conscious users seeking reliable performance, while the Smart 600W stands out for those needing extra power and stability. Reviewers generally praise both units for their affordability and efficiency, but the 600W receives higher marks for its capability in demanding setups. So to wrap it up, if you're on a budget, the Smart 500W PSU is a solid choice. But if you plan to expand your rig, the extra watts of the Smart 600W are worth the investment. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description.